Did you know there are many different painting styles, each with its own unique look and purpose? Let's explore some of the most popular ones. First is realism. This style focuses on painting subjects exactly as they appear in real life, with fine detail and accuracy. Next is impressionism. It captures light and movement using loose brushstrokes instead of sharp details. Then we have abstract art. This style doesn't try to copy reality. It uses colors, shapes, and forms to express emotions and ideas. Another popular style is watercolor painting. It uses soft, flowing colors to create light, dreamy effects. Acrylic painting is bold and versatile, often used for vibrant and detailed artworks. And finally, surrealism mixes reality with imagination to create dreamlike scenes. Each painting style tells a different story, and every artist chooses the style that best expresses their creativity.